Okay, listen, y'all. Today it is like 36, 37 degrees out here. Look at that. So we got sun. Oh, you can't see the sun right there. But we got sun. It's looking beautiful out here. So I am trying to get some work done because it is nice. So today is Friday. It's supposed to be in the high 30s. Saturday's in the high 30s. Sundays kind of low 30s or high 20s. But then Monday and Tuesday, it's going to get down to 8 degrees and 7 degrees in the daytime and 1 and negative something for those 2 days, and then go back into the 20s. So we got 2 days to do some work right here because why not?
Hi, welcome to my channel. I am officially Fran, and here at Buchanan Oasis Farmstead, we are building a human-sized farm where we grow our food, raise animals, and we'll teach you how to do it on a budget. Follow our journey as we turn our farm into a thriving agritourism destination, creating income with our market garden, glamping farmstead, and so much more, all while navigating everyday life. So come on, let's get it.
So here's what the plan is. Because we got the insulation down, we got the covering on, so I'm going to quickly move all of this stuff out of the way and then place my plywood. So I bought 9 sheets. I left 4 sheets up by the house because I think that 4 sheets will need to be cut and the 5 sheets won't. We're going to see if that really works. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time on my phone because my memory is almost full. So what I'm going to do is hurry up because it's about...
I tell y'all the truth, it seemed like as soon as we started to work, it started to get cold and the time was just flying by. It was 1:30 when I started the video, but by the time we actually started to move stuff around, it was more like 2:30. So we had all of the plywood sitting there. We didn't want to leave it outside. So we went ahead, got everything taken apart, moved it all outside as quick as we could, and then started to bring the plywood back in. Along with getting everything out, I realized that there were places under there that I hadn't taped yet. So before we could bring the plywood in, I actually had to go ahead and finish taping. I didn't finish taping because I ran out of this tape, the correct tape. On the other video, I was just using some duct tape to hold it in place until I got the right tape that I needed to tape it down. And I did one side without doing the other. So that slowed us up too. Okay, we started to move really fast because it was getting cold, even though that sun was shining out there. So you can tell that the weather was about to change. We hurried up and got the rest of, this was the last sheet of plywood that we needed to bring in. So we got it in, and then we were trying to decide if we were going to go and cut the wood that needed to go in the other spaces, as well as bring back the one more piece, because I only bought 5 pieces back. I thought the rest of them would all need to be cut, but I could have put 2 more pieces in before we cut. But in the end, we decided against that and said, okay, let's just get everything back in here. That way nothing is outside and we can call it a day. We'd been out doing stuff all day anyway. So I hurried up, got everything back in. Now do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can follow along the progress of this farmstead glamping build. But at the end of this video, I am going to put the live, which was the next day. I came back out, but I didn't film it as a video. I just did a live while I was back there, and you can kind of see where we left off and the little bit of the progress of it. I will link the playlist as well as the live that followed this the next day, which was, I believe, January the 18th. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye for now.
DIY do it yourself, huh? Hey, DIY do it yourself, huh?